Over the past 3 decades, we have grown to become Europe's largest motorcycle manufacturer. We inspire millions of motorcycle riders around the world with our products. Now we are taking a pit stop for the future. The KTM brand is my life's work, and I will fight for it. That is the quote from Stephen Perrier. Perrier? I don't know. Again, sorry, I'm butchering last names, whatever. CEO of KTM. Now, obviously, if you haven't been paying attention at all, KTM is in a little bit of money problems. The brand, which started in, let's see here, it says in 1992, they had 160 employees and they did 6,000 units a year. And as of today, or as of this, I'm reading this, they have the capacity to do 1,000 motorcycles a day. And I think they're up to 5 or 6,000 employees at the moment. And well, it's not looking very good for them because at the moment, uh, KTM will initiate a legal restructuring proceeding with self administration. The application will be submitted on Friday, November 29th, with the goal of concluding the process within 90 days. Basically, meaning we're really in the red and we're going to try and do some things to bring this back and not go down as a company. And obviously, this is not the first time this has been talked about. This has been going on for months now of stock prices falling and just incredibly bad times for this company. It's not good. I mean, obviously, if you have a company of this size, of this name, it's not like Beta. I'm not picking on Beta at all, but they are definitely a smaller company compared to, and yes, that means they probably have less overhead, less, you know, capital that they have to be working around, but they also have a they also have less capital, so they have a probably a better chance of folding. When you have a company that's this big, like they're saying the number one motorcycle brand in Europe going, well, bankrupt, let's be basically, this is not very good. The Oh god, I'm gonna really butcher this one. I'm sorry. Gottfried Neumeister, whatever. The co-CEO of KTM said, "quote The enthusiasm of our employees is our most important competitive advantage. Their passion is the reason why KTM is globally synonymous with peak performance. We build our motorcycles reliably and robustly for every race, for every terrain. Now it's about making the company robust for the future, so that we can quickly focus again on what we do, building the coolest motorcycles in the world." Now, obviously, they're in MotoGP, they're in MXGP, American motocross and supercross. They make a lot of, they're in a lot of racing. So obviously, there's a lot of money that goes into that. The salaries of things, the parts and mechanics and bikes. So now it's kind of a wait and see. Can they, one, make this company at least even or bring it back to semi profitable? And it's going to be a thing of how many people do they have to lose? How many, you know, side ventures are they losing? Is it Gas and Husqvarna gone? Is it, are they going down to one person race teams instead of two? Are they dropping some competitions instead of others? Are they not doing MotoGP? Are they not doing MXGP? Are they not doing this or that or this? And it's going to be a wait and see thing. I mean, hopefully, I don't want them to go anywhere because I like racing and I like big teams and I like big teams, giving big names seats and having the best competition possible in all forms, in all shapes, because that just makes everything better to watch. So hopefully this can work out. Hopefully they can figure this stuff out and bring this back around. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Have you bought any KTM stocks because they're low? Are you hoping for the rebound back up? What do you think's going to happen? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.